tape it and make it. Hello everyone. In this video, we will show you a taping technique for the tractus iliotibialis, the tendon plate that runs here on the outside of the thigh. This mainly causes problems for runners or people who have hip problems such as hip arthrosis. The taping technique is adduction and internal rotation. For this, we lay our patient on his side and the upper foot rests on the lower leg. We measure from our classic tape from the outer side of the knee to the trochanter major, the bony protrusion, which we can feel well here. Now we cut the tape. My colleague will now show you how the taping technique works. We tear the backing paper at the base, tape the base to the outer knee joint gap, and stick the tape along the tractus to the trochanter major without pulling. Stick it on and rub the whole thing vigorously from the inside to the outside to increase the adhesive strength. Thank you for using Kintex. Tape it and make it.